ginormous, completely enveloped in keratin. This patient, let's call him Robert Baratheon. Some of you might recognise him. He's appeared on Wax Off before, but today we're trying something slightly different. I've asked him not to oil the ear this time, so let's see what happens. And here we go. The soft surface layer is immediately suctioned up by the Zollner. Because we haven't over-oiled this time, it's actually coming away in smaller pieces than usual, until suddenly one larger piece releases. It attaches more firmly than I expected, straight into the tube. Back in again after a little chopsticking, and the same happens with the next piece, straight into the suction tube. And then the final and deepest section, this one is slightly drier, so for the first time you can actually see the Zollner holding onto the wax rather than it disappearing instantly into the tube. On to the tidying up stage now, which always happens with his procedures. You can see some small skin pulls lifting here, followed by a slightly larger, deeper one. And that's it. And he was absolutely overjoyed with the instant light feeling after the extraction on this side. And here's the final shot. You can see his eardrum clearly. And now on to the right ear. There's a gap in the soft wax here, but it's still clearly blocking the ear canal. So here we go, Zollner in, attachment with the plug, and away it comes. This one is ginormous. A pause here. If you love satisfying ear extractions like this, make sure you're subscribed to Wax Off so you don't miss the next one. Completely enveloped in keratin and perfectly moulded to the shape of the ear canal. Mesmerising. Now to see what remains, and there's a thin piece of wax hanging down. Let's go and get that. No drama here, it attaches quickly. The larger Zollner is slightly bulky when working around the peripheral areas though, so I switched to the fine tip Zollner for better precision. And a very satisfying little skin peel here as well. And there we have it, blockage removed and an extremely happy King Baratheon returns. And that's it for this week's episode of Wax Off. If you compare this extraction with Robert's earlier visits, you'll see the difference straight away. I'll link these here, episode 17 and 45. And I will see you in the next one.